install this. Probably shouldn't keep it on the ground or something. Here we go. Here we go. Wow, what a perfect fit. Hardly. Okay. I forgot how to even open this. Oh, never mind. Comes apart in 3 pieces. Might as well just take the rest of it out since. Oh, actually, yeah. Just one of the fans just popped out. Not bad. One's your graphics, and one's your CPU. Sitting underneath. For some reason, it never clicked on right. Oh, I lied. Got that extra USB port on the bottom. Push. That wasn't good. I just scratched your SSD. Okay, if it is orientating it that way, so, okay. Oh, cool. I think I lost one of the screws. I don't know where they have gone, but I think 3 will be all right. No. Snap it all in together. Oof. Just get the USB stick out and boot it with Windows.
I know wireless AC is pretty nice to have, but I do it old-fashioned. Okay, screen on. There we go. Actually, I have two of them. And, I'll do that. Okay, here we go. We have this thing in UEFI mode. Well, I think it's by default anyways. So, we're gonna set up Windows.
Okay. Getting through some updates, but everything went well. Smooth. Since it's a digital license copy, everything's activated already, which is a good thing. Now just waiting for all the Windows updates. And yeah, that's about it. See y'all later.